The suangrc F198 drone with camera offers a sharp 720p video feed with an adjustable front lens and a secondary downward camera, making it easy to frame both landscapes and overhead shots. Its brushless motors and upgraded control chip give the drone a smoother, quieter flight with better durability than many entry-level brushed models. Real-time Wi-Fi viewing through the companion application lets you see what the camera sees while flying, which is especially helpful for composing shots and learning orientation. Gesture photo controls and simple three-dimensional flip tricks add a playful element that makes casual flying and quick selfies more engaging. Automatic hovering, optical flow positioning, and one-touch takeoff and landing help new pilots keep the drone steady without constant manual correction. A foldable design, relatively lightweight body, and included carrying case make the F198 convenient to pack for trips and protect when not in use.